Money, it's the lifeblood of our daily lives, but have you ever wondered about its incredible journey? The story of a dollar or a euro from creation to your pocket is a testament to human ingenuity and precision. Exploring this process unveils the intricate dance of the global financial system. It also highlights the extraordinary care and security measures that go into crafting something we often take for granted. The journey begins with raw materials transformed through cutting-edge printing techniques and stringent quality control. The result? A tangible symbol of value, trusted and revered across borders. Whether it's the crisp cotton feel of a US dollar or the unique design of a euro, each note embodies a meticulously orchestrated effort to ensure its authenticity and durability. But the journey doesn't end at the printing press. Vast distribution networks spanning continents work tirelessly to place these banknotes into the hands of consumers and businesses worldwide. Central banks play a crucial role in managing the flow of currency, ensuring its availability while safeguarding the integrity of the financial system. This journey from conception to circulation underscores the vital importance of trust in our monetary system. Without it, the intricate web of transactions that underpin our global economy would simply cease to function. So next time you pull out a bill to make a purchase, take a moment to marvel at the complex journey it undertook to reach your hands. The US dollar, one of the world's most traded currencies, is a marvel of engineering and security. Its unique composition, 75% cotton and 25% linen, creates a durable yet flexible material resistant to wear and tear, but it's the security features embedded throughout each note that truly set it apart. Red and blue synthetic fibers woven directly into the paper are visible to the naked eye and serve as a first line of defense against counterfeiting. Hold a dollar bill up to the light and you'll see the faint image of Benjamin Franklin, a watermark embedded within the paper itself. Tilt the tote and the three-dimensional security ribbon, featuring images of bells and hundreds, shifts and changes, making it extremely difficult to replicate. The production process is equally impressive. Specialized machines first create large, continuous sheets of this unique paper blend. Intaglio printing, a technique using engraved steel dies and plates, creates the raised, textured feel of the ink, further enhancing security. Each note is then assigned a unique serial number and adorned with the official seal of the Federal Reserve, marking its authenticity. Before entering circulation, every single dollar bill undergoes rigorous inspection. Automated systems scan for imperfections while trained personnel conduct manual checks to ensure the highest quality and security standards are met. Only then are the bills deemed fit for distribution, ready to begin their journey through the global economy. The euro, the official currency of the Eurozone, represents a remarkable feat of economic and political unification. Unlike the US dollar, issued by a single nation, the euro represents a collective effort, its design reflecting the shared history and culture of its member states. Crafted from 100% cotton fiber, euro banknotes possess a distinct crispness and durability. But like their US counterparts, they incorporate a range of security features designed to deter counterfeiting. Hold a euro note up to the light and a watermark, a silver security thread, and the denomination of the bill become visible. The holographic foil stripe, a defining feature of the euro, depicts the Europa series motif, which changes color and reveals small symbols when tilted. Microprinting, visible only under magnification, adds another layer of security, and for the visually impaired, raised tactile elements provide a distinctive feel, aiding in identification. The euro production process is a marvel of modern printing technology. Offset printing lays down the base colors and main images, while silkscreen printing adds the shimmering emerald number, which changes color when viewed from different angles. Advanced inkjet technology assigns each note a unique identifier, making it virtually impossible to duplicate. Like US dollars, euro banknotes undergo rigorous inspection before entering circulation. Automated systems scan for defects and trained personnel conduct manual checks to ensure each note meets the exacting standards of the European Central Bank. Only then are these symbols of European unity released into the world, ready to facilitate trade and commerce across the continent. The intricate designs, complex production processes, and rigorous inspection procedures all point to a single crucial concept: trust. The value of any currency rests not on the paper it's printed on, but on the trust we place in the institutions that issue and guarantee it. Every time we use a dollar or a euro, we are implicitly trusting that it will be accepted at face value. This trust is the bedrock of our global financial system, enabling countless transactions to occur every day. It allows businesses to operate, individuals to save and invest, and economies to grow. Maintaining this trust is an ongoing endeavor requiring constant vigilance against counterfeiting and prudent management of monetary policy. Central banks play a crucial role in this effort, ensuring the stability and integrity of our currencies. The next time you hold a banknote, remember that it represents more than just paper and ink. It represents a promise, backed by the full faith and credit of the issuing authority. It's a testament to the power of trust and a reminder of the intricate systems that underpin our global economy.